Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying out the new e.l.f. Jelly Pop. Ow! Today we are trying out the new e.l.f. Cosmetics Jelly Pop line. I ordered the primer, I bought the face and eye gloss, and I bought the e.l.f. Pop Juicy Gloss. I could have got this as a set for $15 online and got it cheaper, but I bought each one separately so I could get the full-size product. The lips, oh my god, the lips are my favorite part. They turned out so great. The eyes, this is my new Jeffree Star palette. Enjoy the video. Watch until the end and you'll see why I don't have on lashes and why I don't have on liner. It's beginning. Sit down, chop chop, get your popcorn, get your snack. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in every week on every video. Hit the like button, take the time, comment, let me know what you think. It really helps me out so much and I love talking to you guys. Without further more ado, enjoy the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week, I'm so excited because I ordered some of the new e.l.f. Jelly Pop collection. I was watching the Jeffree Star review and I couldn't help myself, but I just closed it out, read a couple reviews, and ordered it. I ordered the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer, the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Face and Eye Gloss. Also, I got the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Juicy Gloss Watermelon Pop. All of these are vegan and cruelty-free. This hydrating watermelon-infused Jelly Pop collection uses unique jelly textures to give you lasting sheer color, dewy skin, and a healthy glow. Well, we love dewy, so we'll see how this does. Today I put a look together. I already got my makeup all set out right here. We are going to use a Dewy+Smooth foundation. Oh my god, I've been blurry this whole time. I have a whole look planned out. We are going to use our Dewy+Smooth foundation. Sorry, born this way. I ordered more setting spray, but for the time being, I gathered what was left out of the old bottles and I added a little water, shaboom shabang, got some setting spray. Today we are going to use our Jawbreaker palette that we just got. I figured since we ordered the red stuff, we can stick with the red pinky theme and do a red pinky color. Today we are going to moisturize using first our Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. Boop, 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 boop. And then we are going to use our Olay Active Hydration. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop. Now that we are moisturized, let's get into our new primer. All right, that's a lot of primer, you guys. Love that. Oh, it's thick. Oh, it smells so... Oh, it smells so good. It smells like watermelon. I want some more. More? I think I'm just having fun at this point, patting. That's a nice dewy shine. Okay, let's put a little bit of moisture on our face. Let's take our Dewy+Smooth foundation. Whoa, that was a lot. Oh, I forgot how dark this foundation was. Oh, good. You can see some of my pores right here. We don't like that. So before this forehead creases, let's go ahead and get in there and put on some concealer. We are going to take our Coty Airspun Taking our Master Fix. And setting underneath our eyes. Alright, let's go in with our cream contour before we get too far into this because I forgot. Now we have all this powder on our face. Fuck. We're gonna blend in with this. Ooh yeah, I don't like this. This is not a good blending brush. I think I broke my makeup. Uh-oh. This was a bad idea. Let's contour with our It Cosmetics powdered contour. We are going to take our angled BH Cosmetics contour brush. And we are going to chisel out our cheeks. And our foreheads. Let's get rid of this dry, ashy bake. Because guess what, guys? I forgot that this was a dewy and smooth look. So I shouldn't have even set it with anything. Well, here's my dry, cracked, dewy, and smooth. Let's bronze real quick. Add a little bit of a summer glow. Oh, I love the Physicians Formula bronzer. I can't get enough of it. I need a fan. Let's use our blush palette. We're going to go with a soft pink and kind of a peachy color. I want to do my face and my eye gloss all at once, so I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes first and then I'll put on the gloss and we'll see what happens. For this look today, we are going to use somewhat of a mixture between licorice, raspberry, and cherry wet. We might go in with a few of the highlighter colors, and also we are going to pop off that color with a surprise green at the bottom. We are going to wet our brush. We are going to go into cherry wet. We're just going to pack that on the lid. Now, let's take a clean, semi-clean, kind of clean, sort of clean blending brush and blend that out. But to blend that out, we are going to use the shade Fuck. Let's take licorice and pack that on the lid. Oh, that's pretty. Go in with raspberry, keeping that crease up. We are going into cotton candy on the inner corner. Yeah, that's pretty. Ow! 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 What do I do? All right, don't panic. We're going to take Snack, which is a nice little highlighter shade. And we're just gonna blend the top of that to add a nice sheen. I'm gonna take that out of here a little bit. Now for the lower lash line, We are going to take our NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in white. Let's use our pencil brush and go into shade Sour. Now I have a green hue underneath. Now it's time for our e.l.f. face and eye gloss. Let's get into it. It says use on bare skin, but we're going to add it straight to our makeup. Ooh, it's goopy. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Oh. I mean, it's see-through, but it's glossy. It has glitter in it. I don't know how I'm going to go about this, so let's put a little on my arm to work off of. I'm scared, you guys. I'm so scared. Wow. All right, let's add it to the face and see what happens. Oh, I'm going too far in already. Oh no. Oh, too much, too much, too much, too much, too much. Woo! You know what I didn't do? I didn't put on any eyebrow. Wow, I look wet. Oh, way too much. Way too much. Dripping, honey, dripping. If I was smart, I would have put on eyeliner before the gloss and lashes. But this mascara goes on so easy with this gloss. Do I even try to put on lashes? I'm going to put a thin line of red glitter. These lashes are not secure. I kind of like it without the lashes. For lips, we're gonna line with a red. We are going to go in with our BH Cosmetics Liquid Lip. It doesn't have a shade. Berry red. While my lip color is drying, let's open up our Juicy Gloss, the main attraction. So this is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Juicy Gloss. I got the Watermelon Pop scented. Oh, wow. Look at that gloss. Ooh, so exciting. So glossy. Let's throw on some lashes. I mean, let's put on some brows real quick because I forgot them. Okay, so this was our Jelly Pop look. I love it. I love the Jelly Pop collection. I feel really greasy and wet, but it's cute. Next time, I probably won't go all over my face with the face and eye gloss. I'll probably just stick to the eyes or to just the face because I look like I dipped my face in coconut oil, honestly. So if the face was matte still, and the lips were gloss and the eyes were gloss, this look would probably blah blah blah. This look would probably pop a little more. I notice I'm spitting a little bit. Let me give you an up close. See what I mean? Looks like I dipped my face in oil, pure oil. Let's turn up the brightness a little. This is so pretty, except for my skin is so oily looking. Now it is sticky. Let's try something real quick. I'm curious. I'm going to take some Born This Way foundation. Alright guys, I tried to tone down some of the gloss with some more foundation. Oh, something's sticking to my face. Oh no, hair, something. Oh, I can't touch it, it itches. So this is the look after I put on a little bit of Born This Way foundation over the gloss. And you can still see it through the foundation. Maybe you could use this as a glowy primer maybe. We'll experiment in the future. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video this week. I had a lot of fun trying on the new e.l.f. Jelly Pop products. They are great. I'm a little juicy, but now we know a little juice goes a long way. Tune in next week and maybe we'll play around with the palette and the gloss a little bit more. You guys have a great week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a ton of fun recording today. Oh my god. Today was probably one of the funnest, easiest days recording ever. Less stress, no stress at all. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the like button. Also, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what I should do on my next video. Give me some ideas. Thank you for their support and thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys next week. Good night.